Hello, my name is Gameli Adzaho. I'm an environment and health specialist, an open science researcher and an educator. I work on Global Lab Network, which is a platform for promoting community science and science, technology, engineering and mathematics as a tool for development in Ghana. I believe I was in kindergarten at that time in my hometown, Keta. So as a child, I've always been passionate about solving problems and creating impact on scale. I originally thought that I could do this by becoming a medical doctor. Today I work at the interface between education, public health and technology, which actually helps to create so much impact, but not in the same way that I originally thought. So our project at Global Lab seeks to break the wall between science and society. We believe that science is a tool for development. So what we want to do is to bridge the gap between science and the general public through our science outreach and our science engagement activities. So Global Lab is a community of STEM students as well as young science professionals who are mobilized to undertake social impact activities. And the reason why we started this project was to connect students and also to connect students with mentors as a way of providing information and exchange of opportunities. And at the same time, we wanted to work together to develop projects that will be of social impact. What surprised me most about the project is the fact that we are able to come together and we are able to do a range of activities at relatively low cost and be able to create impact in spite of limited resources. What makes our project unique is the fact that we bring together people from all kinds of backgrounds to exchange ideas and to work together, and I think that this approach to community science is unique in Ghana. Society benefits because we make scientific information available, for example, to young learners in rural areas who may not have access to the kind of information that we share on environmental stewardship, design thinking and creativity and problem solving that we do. At the same time, we organize science cafes which bring people from different fields and backgrounds together to learn about important topics in science. So people who ordinarily will not learn about some of the topics that we discuss have the opportunity to learn about these topics. Everybody that I meet, that I talk to about the project, think that it is very interesting indeed. Some of them will go ahead to serve as volunteers, and in the case of my mother, I'm still having a bit of a challenge to explain everything to her. The main question that has remained unanswered for me is how do we go beyond creating science outreach and science engagement activities to actually starting hands-on practical projects to solve problems in communities. We see this as an opportunity to be able to bring people outside the highly educated group to ordinary members of the community to also become active members of our community. How to move from a platform which exchanges information and ideas online to an offline platform, which we have successfully done, but to move from an offline platform in terms of events and activities to creating hands-on practical long-term projects is something that keeps me awake at night. How do I mobilize resources and technical expertise to be able to achieve that?